and welcome to 902 Williamstown Boulevard. This spectacular, immaculately maintained, absolutely gorgeous bungalow has countless of features. When you enter, you'll see the spectacular floor plan, open and flows, filling the entire house with natural light. 9-foot ceilings throughout, upgraded lighting, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and the list goes on. Not only is the house absolutely stunning, but this oasis of a backyard is spectacular. You have exterior lighting, all the trees and greenery have been carefully thought out. You have a fire table, a built-in barbecue, and one of my absolutely favorite parts is this gazebo, complete with electricity. Come on, check it out.